Hello everyone, welcome back to Detroit Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is having 0x9 error, which is happening for many of the users right now. The users on the Game Pass is having this particular issue. So how we can fix this error? So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, if the game is on the Xbox, those who are having the Xbox Pass, what you need to do is you just go to the game. Now right now, as you can see, we just need to right click over here and there is an option to uninstall. So just uninstall the game and you have to reinstall it back. So when you're reinstalling it back, if the game is already installed on C, you have to try to install it on any other local disk. So if the game is already on any other local disk, you have to try to install it back on the local disk C. And also, while installing back, you have to make sure that you are only installing you are only installing the base game, not all the games. For example, if you check over here, you can see there are many add-ons. There will be many, there are many things over there. So you can check, that is, for example, as you can see, there are multiplayer, Warzone is there, campaign multiplayer is there. So what you need to do is just try installing the first, when you uninstall the game afterwards, try installing the base game, that is Call of Duty. And once installation is completed, once afterwards you can try installing all these things. You should not be installing first. You should not be installing with all the games all together. Try installing Call of Duty base game first, and once afterwards you can try launch the game, and that's gonna help you guys out. Next one is all about, you have to click the game, right click over here, and we have to go to the manage, and there is an option called files. If you check over here, you can see there is an option called verify and repair. Just click on this one. Now go for S. So what happens is this will cross check the game. So if if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So this is a very important step. So we have to do this. So just do the verify integrity of this particular game. So that's going to help you guys out. So as you can see, it is going through. So right now it will be checking all the files of the game. So it will be cross-checking everything. And once everything is being done, everything is fixed, you can try continue playing the game. And the third step is all about, we have to give a command in the game. So we have to give a command in the game. So it is actually trying to connect your Xbox app. So the first thing is we have to go over here and we have to search for the PowerShell. So just go over here and you have to search for the PowerShell. So just search for PowerShell. Okay. So just search for the PowerShell. Okay. Just search for the PowerShell and go for run as administrator and go for yes. So I'll be providing a link in the description that you have to copy. So first copy this particular command. Okay, just copy this particular command and you have to paste it and you have to press enter. And once it has been done, you have to move to the next command. That is, you have to go for start MS Windows Store, copy this particular command and you have to paste it. And now you have to press enter. So that is going to take you to the Microsoft Store where you have to install the gaming services. So if the gaming service is not installed, you have to go for the gaming service should be installed. So after the gaming service is installed, you have to reboot your Xbox app. So once the gaming service has been installed, it is going to take a little bit of time. So once it is done with this, as you can see, it is going to getting fixed up. So let me finish this up. Once the gaming service is successfully installed on your PC, what you have to do is, it is done. So as you can see, you got the message, the gaming service is installed. And once you afterwards just close this, and you have to close this as well and go to the Xbox. And they're going to ask you for updates, so just go for the update. So just actually rebooting the Xbox once again, so you have to get it back to the Xbox. And right now we are signing back to the Xbox, and right now go to the Call of Duty and you can try playing the game, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.